Question number 7 from solving rational equations. So their equation, first of all, has a rational expression. So what we have to do before we solve this or get rid of the denominator is make sure that we state the restriction. So we cannot divide by 0, so we cannot let x equal to -2. Now once we've established that restriction, we just have to really make sure we check that when we solve this equation. So once I've established my restriction, I'm going to get rid of that divide by x plus 2 by multiplying the whole equation by x plus 2. So I end up with x plus 1 times x plus 2. On the left hand side, I end up with -2x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2, and then minus 8 when we get rid of that divide by x plus 2 with the times by x plus 2. So I'm going to expand these brackets out. X squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to -2x squared. And we end up with -4x plus 2x, so -2x plus 4 minus 8. Okay, move all the terms to one side, so we end up with 3x squared plus 5x. And then here we're going to end up with -4, so we're going to add 4 to both sides, so we get plus 6 and then equal to 0. I can now solve this equation. Okay, in this case here, this looks like it's non-factorable. So it doesn't look like there's two numbers that multiply to 18 and add to 5x. So I'm going to solve this using quadratic formula. So I end up with x is equal to -5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 4 times 3 times 6. And that's all over 6. Okay, it looks like in this case here, the discriminant is less than 0, so there's going to be no solution. So -5 plus minus square root of, this ends up being, that looks like 96. Okay, so oops, that's at 96. So it's going to be 12 times, 72. So it's going to be that's going to be -47 over 6. So no solution.